Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play the same game together with Steam Family Sharing. If you're using Steam Family Sharing, you may be wondering whether two people can play the same game at the same time from a shared library. This is a common question, especially for friends and family who want to play together. In this video, I'll explain how Steam Family Sharing works and the best ways to play the same game together. First, it's important to understand how Steam Family Sharing works. Steam allows eligible games from one account to be shared with other approved family members. To check your family sharing settings, open Steam and click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, look at the menu on the left side and click Family. Here, you'll see your Steam family settings, authorized devices, and family member permissions. Now for the important part. Under Steam Family Sharing, two people generally cannot play the same shared game at the same time if only one copy of the game exists in the family library. If the owner of the game launches it, other users sharing that library may lose access or receive a notification that the library is currently in use. If you want to play the same game together simultaneously, the simplest solution is for each account to own its own copy of the game. Once both accounts have purchased the game, you can play together without any family sharing restrictions. Another option is to check whether the game supports remote play together or local multiplayer. Open Steam, click Library near the top of the window, and select the game from the left sidebar. On the game's page, look for features such as remote play together, online co-op, or local multiplayer. If remote play together is supported, one player can launch the game and invite another player to join without needing a second copy in some cases. To send a remote play together invitation, launch the game, open your Steam Friends list by clicking Friends near the bottom right corner of Steam, right-click your friend's name, and select Remote Play Together from the menu if the game supports it. You should also make sure both accounts are members of the same Steam family group if you're using the newer Steam family system. To check this, click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam, select Account Details, and then look for Family Management options. Here you can review members, invitations, and sharing permissions. If you're having trouble accessing shared games, sign out of Steam on both accounts, restart your computers, and sign back in. This refreshes family sharing permissions and often resolves access issues. Remember that not every game supports family sharing. Some games require third-party launchers, subscriptions, or publisher restrictions that prevent sharing. If a specific title isn't available, it may not be eligible for sharing. By understanding these limitations and options, you can choose the best way to play together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the